tracking keg deposits and returns in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you your keg tracking home screen, every keg out with a customer, how long it's been gone, and how to find the kegs worth a phone call. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Sales, Keg Returns from your dashboard. This is your keg tracking home screen. It lists every keg currently out with a customer, how long it's been out, and whether its deposit is still open. Across the top, you've got total kegs out, total deposit amount, and pool utilization by size. In customer balances, sort by days outstanding to find kegs that have been gone too long. Those are worth a phone call. Click any customer row, and I'll show you the exact keg count and sizes they're holding. When kegs come back, you'll process that return and the deposit credit from the keg return credit memo screen. And this dashboard updates automatically to reflect the smaller outstanding count. Check this weekly so your keg fleet doesn't quietly disappear into accounts that never send them back.